Welcome to my YouTube channel Maktabe-Hind. Hello children, today we are going to learn subject EVS 1 standard 4th lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals. Created by Nazia Sheikh, teacher of Anjuman Islam's VM and DM PM Urdu Primary School Semi English Pune 1. The life cycle of animals. Look at this puppies and its mother. Look at this kitten and its mother cat. Look, this is a calf and a mother elephant. Look in this picture, cubs and the tigers. Dear student, do you see some similarities between the young one and their adult? The calf has long trunk and two long ears, and mother elephant also have two long ears and a long trunk. Calf has 4 legs. Mother also have 4 legs. Calf has 2 small eyes and a tail. Mother too have 2 small eyes and a tail. So, we can see so many similarities between young one and adult. Same in the case of puppies and a dog, kitten and a cat, cubs and a tigress. Here also we can see similarities. They look like their mother. Now, in this picture, you can see the young one of a frog. It is called tadpole. The young one of a frog is called tadpole. Tadpole has a tail, but the frog does not have tail. Tadpole has a cylindrical body. Tadpole does not have any legs, but adult frog has 4 legs. Means we can not see any similarities between tadpole and a frog. Young one of a frog, that is tadpole, and a adult frog are not similar to each other. They are totally different. Tadpole has a cylindrical body. Tadpole does not have any leg. But the frog has 4 legs. That means they are not similar to each other. Let's see one more example. See the caterpillar or larva. This is the young one of a butterfly. Butterfly has 4 wings, beautiful 4 wings. The shape and the structure of a butterfly and a caterpillar are not similar. The body of the caterpillar is cylindrical, elongated, and it has so many legs. It eats the leaf. But butterfly has 4 beautiful broad wings, 6 legs, small body, and butterfly sucks the nectar of the flowers. So, we can conclude that young one of them are totally different from their adult. Tadpole is totally different from the frog, and caterpillar larva is also totally different from the butterfly. They are not similar to each other. Observe these animals. These animals give birth to their young one. Babies of these animals grow in their mother's tummy and are born from mother's tummy. These animals do not lay eggs. These are similar to their young one. Now we will see the animals that lay eggs. See here, housefly, turtle, fish, hen, salamander, family of lizard, spider, pigeon, frog, snakes, penguin. They lay eggs, but we do not often see their eggs. Their eggs are very tiny. Hen lay eggs and warm them. They both animals lay eggs. Their eggs are very tiny. We cannot see. They hide them in the soil. Birds lay eggs in the nest. Hen lay eggs and warm them. Hen sit on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside it. In this picture you can see hen sits on eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside the eggs. In this picture you can see hen sits on eggs to warm them. She is hatching her eggs. When their growth is completed, the chicks breaks the eggshells and come out. These procedure need 20 to 22 days from the egg to the chick. You can see here grown-up chicks break the shell and they come out. Here the fully grown chick come out from the egg. They break the egg from their beak. You can see clearly in this picture. Observe the picture carefully. Now you can also see the small tiny chicks of the hen broke the eggshell and came out from the eggs. The hen look after its chick till they grow a little bigger. She protects the chick from the predators and she trains them to live. You can see in this picture, hen is protecting her small tiny chicks. She feeds them. You can see in this picture hen with many chicks. Can you see any similarities? Yes, students, we can see so many similarities. They both have beak, they have feathers, two legs like their mother. But they are small. But they are just similar to their mother. They have feathers, they have beak, they have two legs like their mother. They are just similar to their mother and their adult. Now students, see in this picture, this is a caterpillar and this is a butterfly. Let's see the life cycle of plain tiger butterfly. Is called a metamorphosis. And it has different stages. There are 4 stages. You can see in this picture, this is a caterpillar and this is a butterfly. Let's see the life cycle of plain tiger butterfly. Is called metamorphosis. Different stages in metamorphosis. It has 4 different stages. There are 4 stages in metamorphosis. First one is butterfly lay eggs. Number 2, larva or caterpillar is the second stage. Pupa chrysalis is the third stage. And the adult butterfly is the fourth stage. Egg stage remains for 6 to 8 days. Caterpillar stage remains for 10 to 12 days. Pupa stage is about 11 to 12 days. And then it becomes an adult butterfly. You can see in this picture. Observe student, this is a female plain tiger butterfly. It lay eggs on milkweed leaf. The female plain tiger butterfly lay eggs on milkweed leaf. It is called रुई, कपास, जिसे हम उर्दू में कपास कहते हैं. After 6 to 7 days, the larva emerges from the egg. Eating the covering of the egg become a caterpillar. When caterpillar, now observe in this picture, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of the butterfly is called a caterpillar. When caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It began to nibble at the leaf and eat very fast and grows rapidly. Caterpillar grows rapidly. Hence, caterpillar grow rapidly by eating leaf. The new loose skin is formed on the crawling caterpillar. The caterpillar mold 3 to 4 times and it forms a pupa or chrysalis. It remains in the chrysalis for 11 to 12 days and does not eat during this stage. In this picture you can see caterpillar changing its shape. Its new loose skin is formed. The caterpillar mold 3 to 4 times. Now students, observe this picture. Caterpillar forms a pupa or chrysalis. Observe it carefully. It remains in the chrysalis for 11 to 12 days and does not eat during this stage. The growth of the butterfly completed. Now it is changing his shape. Pupa chrysalis changing into beautiful butterfly. Now observe it carefully. Chrysalis turning into beautiful butterfly. Now you can see in this picture butterfly is trying to come out from the chrysalis. Now it has 4 beautiful wings and 6 legs. Metamorphosis. In some animals, the young one grow into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. I hope you understood the meaning of metamorphosis. The young one and the adult animals are totally different. The life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis. Now let's revise again. All the insects and all the butterfly mostly go through these 4 stages of life cycle. It is called metamorphosis. Look at this picture. Butterfly life cycle stages. You can see eggs, then caterpillar, then chrysalis, then adult butterfly. These are 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly. Now, for your extra knowledge, let's see the life cycle of frog. Eggs. Adult female frog lay eggs. In the second stage, look in this picture, embryo. In the third stage, we can see tadpole. In the fourth stage, we can see tadpole with 2 legs. In the fifth stage, you can see tadpole with 4 legs. In the sixth stage, you can see young frog have tail. Look here in the picture, young frog have tiny tail. But in the 7th stage, adult frog does not have tail. Its tail disappears when it becomes adult frog. What we have learned, the life cycle of a frog has 7 stages. These stages, when we can see the young one and the adult are not similar to each other, this is called metamorphosis. You can see in the life cycle of butterfly and you can see the life cycle of a frog. There, both young one and their adults are totally different from each other. These stages is called metamorphosis. I hope you understood the meaning of metamorphosis. What we have learned, some animal give birth to their young ones. Example, cat, dog, tiger, elephant, etc. Some animals lay eggs. Example, hen. All birds, butterfly, lizard, they all lay eggs. The eggs of some animals are so tiny that we would hardly notice them. Example, fish, fly, mosquitoes, etc. Their eggs are so tiny. A hen lay their eggs and sit on them to hatch. The growth chick break the shell and come out from the egg. What we have learned: egg, caterpillar, larva, chrysalis, pupa and adult are four stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The adult butterfly has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Always remember, students, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. So, student, please don't do like this. Let them live happily. They are also a part of our environment. So, protect our environment and let them live happily in the environment. Thanks for watching, students. I hope you enjoyed the video. You understand the lesson? Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maktab-e Hind. Have a blessed day.